speaker, and there are times when I have three speakers. So we have, there are times when we have one speaker. How are you finding the inspirational stories? Would you like something special to be created over here? I am very lucky that coming week we have Anya's story, we have Dr. Kwesi's story, and it's just amazing when I am loving the amazing stories, but how are you finding them? So if I can have some feedback on that, I would be really, really grateful.
So Anu, I will share. So I think today's story is something then you start realizing that your life has been so, we always are so much in our stories. These stories give us an opportunity to think that, oh my God, people have gone through this and they've made it. And they have survived, and they have survived very beautifully. So there is a lot of learning from their stories. So I think the stories are very inspirational, and it helps us to reflect back to our lives, how we are sometimes so caught up in small stories in our life, and there's life is much more that it's beyond these things. And I think these stories just give us that feeling of introspecting our own lives also.
Thank you so much, because I've been really questioning myself what to get the best for you. And anybody else would like to share, I would really like each one of you to share. Just take out 2 minutes. Tell me how you're finding it. Do you want me to change anything? Your suggestions will make this better for you, because I'm not doing it for me. I'm really doing it for you. Yes, Anya.
Anu, I like that it is also a small group. The interaction is better than when you have a very large group. And as Arti said, it's nice to hear from other people what they have gone through, and maybe it also inspires you to do things in a different way or look at things in a different way. And we learn from each other. So I think it's a very nice platform, because it's not only people who have, who are doctors and everything, who know it all. We're somehow down to earth people also in between, who get a chance to talk, or who talk about their life and have a lot to say. And yeah, I think we learn a lot from each other, and sometimes you can also say our lives are sometimes very similar, and we're not alone in the boat. There are many people in the same boat, and we can take inspiration out of that.
Thank you
I
so
think
much.
it's nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anybody
So
else?
true. Yeah, so true, Anya, what you said, because today's story from Viol, I can relate. My wife, she was probably 8 or 10 when her dad passed away in Africa, and she had to move to India. And how that had shaped her siblings and herself. I mean, she was also listening, so I'm sure she is able to relate. But this was much more inspirational than just learning some modality. So thank you, Anu. What you're doing is great. Thank you. Keep it up.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Anybody else? Yes, Teji?
No, it is good. Even if it is one sharing, I think it is really good, and it keeps focused. And yeah, different sharing. It shows the whole world of possibilities that exist. We generally, when we are in trouble, we just think it's only me. Why me? That's something which comes up. But when you hear all of these inspiring stories, it just shows the the possibilities and what all is existing with many other people's lives. And I'm sure each one of us have battled it and come out of it, but hearing someone else again gives you that boost of energy to keep going. That positivity keeps coming.
Absolutely.
So thank you and love you. I missed for the last 3 weeks, Anu. Sorry, I was busy, and I
Not a
really
problem.
look forward to joining your sessions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Yes.
and looking forward to the 200th century, the double century coming soon.
Anu, I have a request.
Yes, please.
For those who are here and who might join my talk on Sunday,
Yes.
I would like you to get a measuring tape like this.
So all of you,
all
Anu is
of
going to be talking about her life on the coming Sunday. Do join in and do bring a measuring tape like this.
which
Sure.
which you can destroy. I mean,
The
we
paper
will
one.
break it. But
Oh, the paper one.
a
It's hard
paper
to
one,
find
yeah.
this time, but we have the other measuring tape with us. But this
No,
time it's
mine,
very
I
hard to
get,
find.
look from where I get mine.
Yeah, I know you got it from IKEA, but it's not safe even to go to IKEA this time. But we have the measuring tape with us. Yeah.
But try and find one which you can break.
Okay, we'll give it a best shot to find
Okay.
the tape
Okay.
like that.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Anybody else would like to share or say something?
Thank you, Anu Didi. No words for you.
Are. Chalo.
I
Acha.
wait, from last 2 months, it's on my phone. I put the reminder, Anu session. So
Ishwin is
you
so
saw, even if I'm
committed.
driving, I
Yeah.
have my AirPods with me because I know it's Anu's session. Remember the other Friday night, I was at the car mechanic and I says, I'm going to fight. Abhi meri idhar ladai hone wali hai. So I'm there. I'm there.
Ever since I introduced, she's never missed a session.
I
I
Ishwin
think
is
I never,
Thank
hardly
you,
one
Devi,
or two.
for introducing, and thank you, Ishwin, for being there always. I am
Love you.
delighted.
and a few
You
more
all-
from the Quanto family will join, and some of you, I've shared the modality of y'all sharing with them, and they just loved it. Someone will try to reach out to you to, maybe they want to do a session on, how Quanto's FFS sessions of meditations can help to remove your karmas. It's a way of what they have carved out of how you can get rid of your karmic through quantum meditation. So I have
Sure.
shared it with this group.
That
There would be somebody reaching out to you, and I said maybe in the group you could do one session of meditation for people to experience.
Absolutely, absolutely. We are having, as we speak, we're having doctors connected. We are having people from Iran, Iraq. The world is a limit. It's like I'm really, really grateful. And to be really honest, there are energies which are creating it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. And फिर से मिलते हैं. We'll meet again on this Tuesday. आज Sunday है ना?
No, only 11.
Bye.
आज तो गाना बनता है.
आज तो
Right.
गाना बनता है. चलो ठीक है लगा
आज तो
देते हैं.
गाना बनता है.
Do you have music?
First, we'll have to take off all the recordings because our Facebook cries otherwise. It bans